this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Mazda 3, stock number 6763. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 10th 2013. It's a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left-hand taillight, rear boot lid no dents, right-hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stick stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front keyless lock sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,